showing the interaction of the chosen species with water and therefore determine if it is a base or acid. And 3, calculate the pKa or pKb as the case may be for the species. Did you get your preamble? Okay, so this is the preamble again. You will be given the pH of a 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of a compound or salt. For each compound or salt, 1, identify which species is contributing to the pH. 2, give a chemical equation showing the interaction of the chosen species with water and therefore determine if it is a base or acid. 3, calculate the pKa or pKb as the case may be for the species. Now, Jachie Pramso. The pH of 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of Na2SO3 is 9.80. Yes, Emmanuel.
Madam.
A bonus. The species cube solution of N.
Species H2PO4, H2PO4 minus plus water going to H3PO4, H3PO4 2 minus plus OH minus, and the pKa is 7.8.
1. The species contributing to the pH is H2PO4 minus. You got that right. The equation is H2PO4 minus plus H2O going to HPO4 2 minus plus H3O plus. It is acting as an acid. And the pKa is 7.8. All right, Presbyterian boys. The pH of 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of NaHCO3 is 8.4. Senna.
Madam, the species given out the pH is the HCO3 minus ion. And this ion interacts with water in the reaction as HCO3 minus plus H2O, producing H2CO3 plus OH minus ions. And the pKb of the ion is 10.2.
You are right. Next set, 30 seconds. A charged metal sphere of radius 0.20 meters has a potential of 100 volts. Find the number of excess protons on the sphere. Yes, Buama.
Madam, the excess proton is 1.3 times 10 to the power 10.
That's incorrect. Yes, Adam.
The number of photons is 1.4 times 10 power 10.
Yes. Your major question. Nuclide X of mass number 83 decays by electron capture into a nuclide of atomic number 36. How many electrons are there in a neutral atom of nuclide X? Yes, Lord.
And I'm 37.
You're right. Find the focal length in air of a thin plano-concave lens with a spherical surface of radius 14 centimeters, which is made of glass of refractive index 1. Senna,
Negative 40 centimeters.
you're right. Jachie Pramso, what is the composition of ribosomes? Yes, Emmanuel.
Ribosomes consist of proteins and DNA.
I'll give you one. For the protein, the main thing is the ribosomal RNA, rRNA, okay, and then protein. Keta, in protein synthesis, where is the anticodon located? Lord.
It's located on a tRNA.
Yes. Anticodons pair with mRNA during which last set of questions. 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Find the number of axes of symmetry of the given figure. Jachie Pramso, equilateral triangle. Buama.
3.
Yes. Keta parallelogram. Lord.
It has no axis of symmetry. It has no axis of symmetry.
Yes. 2 is ringing. Luckily for you is the last question and it's your own question. Square. Senna.
4 axes of symmetry.
Yes. That's the end of the first round. High School, Legon. Seconds to present your answer. You have a maximum. Who's
32.
block made of an alloy whose linear coefficient of thermal expansion is 1.5 times 10 raised to the power -6 per Kelvin. When the temperature of the block changes from 5.0 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Yes, which of you? Emmanuel. That's incorrect. Yes, which of you? Adam, loudly.
6.3 times 10 raised to the power -4 meter cube.
Yes. Next one. Find the power factor of a series RL circuit with R equals 40 ohms and L equals 30 millihenry at an angular frequency of 1,000 radians per second. Yes, which of you? Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
The power factor is given by 1.33.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Senna.
0.8.
You are right. Next set, 30 seconds each. Determine the coordinates of the center C and radius R of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 8y is equal to 0. Emmanuel.
Madam, the coordinates of the center is -3, 4, and the radius is 5.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Adam.
The coordinates of the center is -3, -4, and the radius is 5.
Yes. Next one. Find the coordinates of the point A with coordinates 2, 5 after reflection in the line y is equal to 7. Yes, Emmanuel.
Madam, after reflection in the line y is equal to 7, we have 2, 9.
Yes. Find the range of the function y is equal to 5 minus 7 sine of x. Yes, which of you? Mauli.
Okay, so y is a real number. Then -2 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 13.
That's incorrect. Yes.
Sir, Madam, -2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 12.
Yes. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. The enthalpy of combustion of liquid cyclohexane is negative 3.935 times 10 raised to the power 3 kilojoule per mole at 25 degrees Celsius. If the enthalpies of formation in kilojoule per mole of CO2 and liquid water are negative 394 and negative 286 respectively, what is the enthalpy of formation of cyclohexane? Yes, which of you? Mauli.
Negative 3,355 kilojoule per mole.
That's incorrect. The right answer is negative 145 kilojoule per mole. Seconds. Give the systematic name for the ion BO3 3-. Yes, Adam.
Trioxoboride. Trioxoboride. 3 ion.
No, that's incorrect. Yes, which of you? Yes, Mauli.
Trioxoborate 3 ion.
Yes. Seconds. Give the shapes of the following 4 compounds, all covalent in nature: BEF2, SNF2, GAF3, ASF3. BEF2 is linear, SNF2 is bent, GAF3 is trigonal planar, and ASF3 is trigonal pyramidal. Last set for the round. By what means is the fetal blood circulated through the placenta? Yes, Emmanuel.
By diffusion.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes. Yes, which of you? Okay, I'm moving. Yes.
Placental circulation.
No. Okay, this is the right answer. The heart of the fetus pumps blood through the fetal vessels in the placenta. So pumping of the heart of the fetus. Next one. A certain species of birds have long tongues and feed on nectar from long tube-like flowers. The tongue of the bird and the shape of the flower is an example of what type of evolution? Yes, Lord.
Homologous evolution.
No. Emmanuel.
Convergent evolution.
No. The right answer is co-evolution. Last one for the round. How are fraternal twins formed? Yes. Senna.
Fraternal twins are formed when two eggs, different eggs, are simultaneously fertilized at the same time.
I can't give that to you. Yes, Lord.
Fraternal twins are formed when the ovaries of the woman produces two eggs at the same time, and then they are at the fimbriae of the fallopian tube, where fertilization of them occurs by two separate sperm cells.
Okay. That's the end of the second round. Thank you. Please keep them covered. Do not begin until I ask you to. Please put down your pens. At the end of the second round, Jachie Pramso Senior High School has 20 points. Keta Senior High Technical School has 28 points. Presbyterian Boys Senior High School Legon has 30 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present your answer. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Cyclohexane and 2-hexene are isomeric because they have the same chemical formula, C6H12. By calculating their enthalpies of combustion, it is possible to determine their relative stabilities. Consider the following bond energies, all in kilojoule per mole. Carbon-carbon single bond, 350. Carbon-hydrogen, single bond, 415. Oxygen-oxygen, double bond, 498. Carbon-carbon, double bond, 611. Oxygen-hydrogen, single bond, 464. And carbon-oxygen, double bond, 745. 1. Calculate the energy required to break all bonds during the combustion of the 2 compounds and deduce which is more stable. 2. Calculate the energy given out during formation of all bonds during the combustion of any one of them and indicate if the combustion will be exothermic or endothermic. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. Stop writing. School name. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the board as you have them here. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I can't tell which. This two didn't show up. The thank you. oxygen double bond.